Hi everyone, I'm Tiffany, a programmer from Content Limit. Today I'm here to introduce you how to make use of the NodeJS to export the data in Common Data Service into a Excel file. First of all, we need to download the NodeJS first. We can go to the official website and download the apps with corresponding version that we need. After download the NodeJS, we will see here is a command prompt and the NodeJS apps. The NodeJS apps can only enter the script, and we can do more in the command prompt, so I prefer to use command prompt here. Here we will download some API package and libraries and tools. Here is the other Node libraries. These libraries can help to build the connections, so it's more easy to use with the JSON to CSV, so that we can make use of these tools to export the JSON file into CSV very easily. And here we will have a look on the script after install the package. So we can just new a JS file here. And here the script here is ready before, so I won't build a new script. And here we can see those scripts just similar with the C# and the PowerShell that we used before, is to build a connection and get the request and then export them into the CSV file. So the progress is the same, but some syntax has slightly different. Here we can see the directory IDs here is need, and the directory ID have a similar format with the client ID, and we can find it in the Asha portal. We can see the client ID we can find in the app registration. The apps that we registered before, and it will have a client ID that we will use in here. And we can find the active directory, and we can see the properties, and there is a directory IDs into the properties that I won't show here. You can just copy the directory ID and paste here. And the usernames and password, the password I won't show here, and I will enter it later with the directory ID. And also here is the environment. We need to find out the environments that the entities we will extract later. So the environments in use is this one, the testing environment with the code. This one. And the CRM5 is represent that we are in the Asia area. Those code that to help us build the connection, we can find it in the Microsoft documents. So we just to require for the token and then build the connection. After that, we need to have a command just like the simple GET request. And here you can just test the connection is success or not with who am I command. But here I'm just extract the entities here directly, and then we will save the response to the variables. And here is a console log that to show to show the value that I extract in the entities. And the entity's name, just like before, here the content is sent, here is the entity's name, and remember to add a s here. If without s, we will get nothing. And also we need to write the file with the content that I saved in the JSON content variables, and it will output a JSON file here, and the file will save in the directory just same as the command prompt, because we will later to run the script here. Therefore, all the files that we added or create will all in the directories under the Tiffany's directory. So we can see just no difference, and it will give error message and some console log to show you whether it is success or not. So here I'm just finished the password enter and the directory ID enters, and here we will run the testing script. This one, the testing.js, which is under the directory here. Just enter. We will see some data, the records that we want to show. And here is the JSON file has been saved, which is success. You can see the JSON file is here. The output JSON, you can see the time is the same, so it's success. Then we need to make use of the JSON to CSV. These tools help us to, oh, I forgot something. Okay, done. JSON to CSV, which is the I is represent the input. The input file is the output JSON file, and there is some fields that we want to extract is these three fields, and the output file will output to the CSV. Of course, if you want to have a preview, just P. You can see here. And we can open the output file that we saved it. Yes, just like this.